Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss couple of sums based on complementary angles of trio. So first, how to apply this complementary angle. Suppose we need to find out the value of sine 20 divided by cos 70. So the formula we know, that is sine of 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, or cos of 90 minus theta equals to sine theta. Both ways I can apply. So just check, if I want to apply this formula, sine theta equals to cos of 90 minus theta. So I will write the numerator sine theta. What is my theta here? 20. So sine theta will be cos of 90 minus theta divided by cos 70. So what is 90 minus 20? That is 70. So cos 70 divided by cos 70. So ultimately that will be equals to 1. Next, same sum, if I will apply different formula, divide by cos 70 equals to, if I will use this formula, cos theta equals to sine of 90 minus theta. So numerator will remain same, cos theta equals to sine of 90 minus theta is here 70. Please be very careful. So first case, sine 20 divided by 90 minus 70 is 20, sine 20, that is also equals to 1. It doesn't matter which formula you use. But many times you have this habit, just check what I am doing, sine 70 by cos 70 equals to sine 20. So cos 70 you write it as sine 90 minus 20. And somehow you write it as sine 20 by sine 20, you get the answer 1. Answer is correct, but this step is purely wrong. What you are doing, just check, you are changing cos to sine, but the angle is 70 and the 70 angle you are keeping as same as 70. So both formula you can apply, you can do by this method, that is method number 1, you can do by method number 2. But if you will do by method number 3, though you will get the correct answer, but this method will be unacceptable and you will be credited with 0. Please be very careful. So either you change in the numerator or denominator, either you use any of this formula, but don't mix the formula and use that. Okay, so let's just do one more sum based on this. So the sum is a very important one, this type of sum. If it is given sine 2 theta equals to cos 3 theta, find the value of theta. So we know that sine theta equals to sine theta equals to cos of 90 minus theta, and cos theta equals to, what is cos theta equals to? Cos theta equals to sine of 90 minus theta, right? So can we write 2 theta equals to 90 minus theta, because both sides we have sine which will be cancelled out, but we can't cancel this operator. We just omit the operator and we will write, so my 5 theta equals to 90, hence my theta will become 80. Let's practice one more sum like this. So cosec 70 plus 2 theta equals to cosec 3 theta minus 50. So this is equal, given, you have to find out the value of theta. So we know that we have this property of sec and cosec in complementary. So sec, I am keeping this theta over here. Cosec, this will be my theta. So what is cosec theta equals to? Cosec theta equals to sec of 90 minus this theta, right? So that is sec of 90 minus 3 theta plus 50. So both sides you have sec. If I just omit this, so 70 plus 2 theta equals to 90 plus 50 minus 3 theta. If I take all the theta terms one side, so 140 minus 70, which is equals to 70. So 5 theta equals to 70, my theta will be equals to 14, right? So one more sum if I do, as a big huge one. So sine 10 divided by cos 80 plus sine square 25 plus cos square 65 sin square 25, sorry, if I write sin square 25 minus cos square 65 plus tan square 30, and the statement of this sum is given using, please be very careful, I am using this statement without using trigonometric table. Find the value of. So without using trigonometric table means they are telling you not to use the value of 10, 20, 80, whatever the value, but this tan 30 standard value you can use that. All the standard values 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 you can use, though it's written without using trigonometric table. Without using trigonometric table means they are asking you not to using this value, sin 10, cos 80, sin 25, this thing, please be very careful. Now sin 10 I can write as sin theta as cos of 90 minus theta divided by cos 80. Any of this if I will change, just check both are complementary angle, right? So sin square sin theta as sin square, just check, I was making the same mistake, sin square as cos square 90 minus theta minus cos square 65, tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3, so this one cos 80 divided by cos 80 plus cos square 65 minus cos square 65 plus 1 by 3, this will be cancelled out, cos 80 by cos 80, that will become 1. So the answer is 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 1 and 1 by 3. Please be very careful. That's it for now for trigonometric complementary angles. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box, I will solve it for you. Thank you.